Have you ever wondered how certain words can create an undeniable attraction, building curiosity and emotional connection almost effortlessly? Imagine having the power to make someone think about you long after the conversation ends, to ignite a spark that pulls her closer with every phrase. In this video, we're diving into the language that goes beyond simple words, phrases that awaken intrigue, build trust, and convey deep emotional meaning. Whether you're looking to revive passion in a relationship or make a lasting impression on someone new, you'll discover the secrets to creating an intense connection that feels authentic and unforgettable. Stay with us until the end, as we'll be revealing how these words can transform your communication, making every interaction resonate deeply. By mastering these phrases, you'll be able to communicate desire, respect, and intimacy in a way that feels natural, creating a bond that lasts. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on today's topic. If you enjoy the content, please comment 1 below. If it doesn't resonate with you, leave a 0. Your feedback is crucial as it helps me create better videos that align with your interests. Now, let's get started. First category: phrases that ignite deep curiosity and heightened interest. Words that spark intrigue are like a match to dry kindling. They set a fire in the imagination, leaving her with an irresistible need to know more. These phrases act as invitations into the unknown, luring her into a world where every glance, every word holds a promise. They evoke an exciting mystery that pulls her in, creating a simmering sense of anticipation that only intensifies the connection between you. Here are some powerful phrases to use. Tonight, I have something unforgettable planned for you. With this phrase, you're inviting her into a mystery. The word unforgettable hints at something magical, perhaps even transformative, making her heart race with anticipation for what's to come. She's left wondering, envisioning, and savoring the possibilities. This promise creates a delicious sense of suspense that not only excites her, but also makes her feel genuinely cherished. I've been thinking about you constantly today. This phrase holds within it a sense of longing and desire, letting her know that she's been on your mind all day, as if every minute without her was missing something essential. She feels deeply valued, as though she has taken up residence in your thoughts. Knowing she's captivated your mind creates a bond of intimacy, drawing her closer to you, her curiosity piqued by what you're thinking about her. I can't wait to be with you. Simple yet powerful, these words convey a profound yearning. By sharing your anticipation, you're building a bridge of intimacy that links you even when you're apart. She feels special, seen, and deeply wanted. She's drawn into the warmth of your desire, wondering just how much you truly miss her, what emotions lie hidden behind those words, waiting to be revealed. Example 1. I think I just discovered the secret to making tonight even more extraordinary. This phrase plants a tantalizing idea in her mind, hinting that you have something remarkable planned. The words secret and extraordinary create an atmosphere brimming with excitement. She's left wondering, imagining, and perhaps even blushing at the possibilities. You're giving her a gift of anticipation, and in doing so, making her feel like she's about to embark on a moment worth remembering, a night crafted just for her, rich with meaning and connection. Example 2. Your eyes have this beautiful sparkle today. I can't help but wonder what's on your mind. Here, you're touching her heart with a compliment that goes beyond the surface. By focusing on her eyes, the windows to her soul, and showing a genuine interest in her thoughts, you're not just observing her beauty but expressing a desire to understand her inner world. This phrase does more than flatter. It makes her feel noticed in a way that feels deeply personal. You're creating an emotional intimacy that encourages her to open up, to share, to trust, making her feel valued and special. Second category: phrases that build a profound emotional connection. Creating an emotional bond that goes beyond the surface level is essential for nurturing intimacy. When you use words that make a woman feel unique, cherished, and truly valued, you establish a foundation of trust and warmth that's deeply fulfilling. These phrases aren't just compliments. They're heartfelt expressions that reveal the depth of your affection and the value she holds in your life. They make her feel like the most important person in the world to you, opening her heart and allowing for a rich emotional connection to grow. Here are some thoughtful phrases that convey admiration, affection, and the sense of wonder she brings into your life. You're the only person who has ever made me feel this way. When you say these words, you're telling her she holds an irreplaceable space in your life. She's not just someone you care for. She's someone who has touched you in ways that no one else could. This phrase transcends physical attraction, letting her know that her essence, her being, and everything she is has changed something fundamental within you. It's a declaration that she has brought a light into your life that you never knew was possible, creating a sense of exclusivity and magic that deepens your bond. Knowing that she alone has this unique power over your heart fills her with a rare sense of belonging, making her feel incredibly special and valued. I can't stop thinking about you. These words are more than an expression of desire. They reveal a sense of attachment that is powerful and meaningful. When you tell her she lingers in your thoughts, you're letting her know she has captivated you beyond the moments you spend together. She feels like she's part of your everyday life, even when she's not physically present, which makes her feel treasured and essential. This phrase gives her a sense of permanence in your life, reassuring her that she's not just a fleeting attraction but someone who has rooted herself deeply in your heart. She feels seen and adored, knowing that her presence impacts you in ways that resonate long after each encounter. Example 1. Every moment I spend with you feels like I'm living in a beautiful dream. In this phrase, you're inviting her into a world of enchantment where everything becomes brighter, more meaningful, simply because she's there. By likening your time together to a beautiful dream, you're showing her that she has the power to make your reality feel surreal and blissful. This phrase carries a sense of wonder and awe, as if she's the missing piece that makes life more vibrant and full of joy. She feels adored and appreciated, knowing that her presence has a magical quality that brings joy to your life. This type of compliment reinforces her importance and suggests that the memories you create together are precious, moments you'll hold close to your heart. Such words don't just flatter her, they inspire her to feel deeply connected to you, as she realizes she has the power to transform your world into something remarkable. Example 2. There are so many things about you that I admire, and each one draws me closer to you every single day. With this phrase, you're delving into a deeper admiration, one that celebrates her unique qualities and the personal traits that make her special. You're letting her know that she is more than a beautiful face or a charming presence. She's someone with intelligence, kindness, humor, resilience, or any of the qualities that have touched your heart. This phrase is a powerful way to communicate that you're paying attention to her in ways that go beyond the surface. She feels respected, understood, and cherished as a whole person, not just as a partner. It tells her that you value her mind, her spirit, and the very essence of who she is. This form of admiration nurtures her self-esteem and reinforces the emotional connection, as she realizes you appreciate her for everything she embodies. When she feels respected for her inner qualities, she becomes more open to deepening the bond, knowing that your affection is based on genuine admiration. These phrases help build a space where she feels emotionally safe, valued, and adored, which is essential for fostering true intimacy. When you take the time to express these deep feelings, she not only feels special but also begins to trust in the authenticity of your affection. She realizes that you see her for who she truly is and that you're drawn to her uniqueness, not just fleeting attraction. This emotional foundation paves the way for a lasting connection, where she can relax, open up, and be herself without reservations. She becomes more receptive to your affection and companionship, feeling an emotional warmth that resonates with love, trust, and mutual respect. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. In moments of vulnerability, these words can be incredibly soothing and reassuring. They remind her that she's not alone, that she's appreciated, and that she's cherished. She feels like a vital part of your life, someone who brings you joy, comfort, and peace. When you make her feel this valued, she's naturally drawn to you, and together you create an environment filled with warmth, intimacy, and shared dreams. These words are more than just phrases. They're an affirmation of the bond you share and a promise of the love you're building together. Third category, words that suggest intimacy. When it comes to creating a deep and sensual connection, it's all about knowing how to hint at desire in a way that feels elegant and respectful. Words that subtly invite intimacy while maintaining a tone of class can work wonders, creating a magnetic atmosphere that draws her in without crossing boundaries. These phrases don't just speak to physical attraction, they speak to a shared connection, one that goes beyond the surface. Here are some phrases that help convey desire in a way that is captivating, creating a safe space where she feels completely comfortable, cherished, and wanted. I love the way your body feels next to mine. This phrase is simple yet powerfully evocative. It suggests a sense of unity and harmony, as if the two of you fit together in a way that feels natural and perfect. It's not just about physical closeness, but about creating a shared experience that feels right and comforting. She feels wanted in a way that's sincere and respectful, setting the stage for a more profound connection that resonates beyond just attraction. The night feels perfect for us to lose ourselves in each other. This phrase creates a sense of mystery and excitement, suggesting that the time you share together is special, even sacred. By saying, "lose ourselves," you're hinting at a moment where the world fades away, leaving just the two of you in a state of blissful intimacy. She feels both desired and safe, knowing that the connection you're inviting her into is as much about shared moments as it is about mutual longing. Example 1. I'd love to explore every inch of you. This phrase expresses a deep desire to know her in a way that feels complete, even reverent. The word explore suggests curiosity and care, conveying that you want to understand her not only physically but emotionally. It implies that her presence is something you treasure, something you're drawn to in a way that's both exciting and respectful. This approach can make her feel genuinely valued and desired, knowing that she is someone you want to connect with on a deeper level. This phrase builds an atmosphere of anticipation, creating an unspoken promise of intimacy that is both exciting and deeply satisfying. Example 2. When I'm close to you, everything else just fades away. This phrase communicates the intensity of your focus on her. By saying that everything else fades, you're expressing a devotion to the moment you're sharing together, as if nothing else matters. It's a statement of presence and attention that makes her feel like she's the center of your world in that moment. She feels not only physically desired but emotionally valued, as if her presence has the power to make the rest of the world disappear. This phrase conveys a sense of intimacy that's powerful and grounding, giving her the confidence to open up and connect on a level that goes beyond attraction. Imagine being able to create such a magnetic atmosphere with these words that chemistry and desire build naturally, sparking a connection so strong that she feels a constant, irresistible pull toward you. Each phrase is crafted to draw her in, igniting her curiosity, awakening her emotions, and making her feel both wanted and safe. When you know how to use these phrases, every word becomes a thread, weaving together a tapestry of shared passion and respect, drawing her closer with each moment. Imagine being able to text her words that make her heart race, that linger in her mind and keep her thinking about you long after your conversation ends. This isn't just about saying the right thing, it's about creating an experience that feels unforgettable, something she can't help but want more of. Through these phrases, you're not just connecting with her mind or her body, you're connecting with her heart, creating a sense of chemistry that is truly special and lasting. Imagine the impact of sending her messages that go beyond casual conversation. These phrases are crafted with intention, showing her that she's cherished, seen, and deeply wanted. This isn't surface-level attraction, it's a connection that creates a bond so intense that she can't help but think of you, long for you, and see you as the man of her dreams, the one who understands her in a way no one else can. So, are you ready to step into this realm of powerful communication? When you start using these phrases, you'll find that connection feels effortless, the chemistry between you growing stronger with each word. It's a way to communicate your interest that feels genuine, making every interaction meaningful and memorable. Whether you're looking to rekindle a spark in a current relationship or make an unforgettable impression on someone new, these techniques give you the tools to express your interest in a way that resonates deeply. Start using these phrases today, and watch as they transform your dynamic, bringing you closer to a deeper, more passionate connection. Download the guide now and unlock the secrets to communicating with depth and intensity. With these words, you'll create an experience that captivates her, leaving her drawn to you, wanting more, and seeing you as the person who truly understands her. Embrace the power of language, and discover how it can create a level of closeness and attraction that's truly extraordinary. So, what have you learned so far? Is there a phrase or technique that resonated with you? Something you're excited to bring into practice in your own life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which idea you found most powerful. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on creating meaningful connections and unlocking the power of communication.